Another interesting point we see here, it is said that when Duryodhana and Dushasana were killed in the Kurukshetra battle, she was very much affected because her son, her dear son, Duryodhana, and she was lamenting very, very pitifully, crying and lamenting. And it is said here that Lord Krishna pacified her by transcendental messages. Actually, this is what the transcendental message can do to every troubled soul. We find difficulties, we find trouble in this material world. Our relations sometimes are severed, and it becomes very painful. And the best medicine for such pain is to hear the transcendental messages, to hear about the transcendental perspective of life. What is human life meant for? What are we? And that is actually very pacifying. So we see here Krishna administering the transcendental message in every occasion possible when the recipients are, when the hearer is in a receptive mood to hear the transcendental message and find solace and comfort. So that is what we also should do whenever there are difficulties in life, whenever challenges are there. We should take shelter of the transcendental message. Taking shelter of the transcendental message means remembering the transcendental message and adopting a certain perspective from that knowledge. Because every knowledge gives us a certain perspective of life. Knowledge improves our perspective of life. We will be seeing life in a certain way from our own point of view. But then when transcendental message is given to us, we can see from another perspective. So, the perspective given by the transcendental messages is the highest and most peaceful, most pacifying perspective.